we always hit the nail on the head. Now check this out, y'all, Miami Hurricane family. Former Miami Hurricane wide receiver, you know, the great number 8, Berrios. You know, a lot of us got accustomed to that name back in 2017. You know, he was doing his thing, man. Now, Berrios had this to say about Miami going into 2020. He pretty much said that he think that Manny is the man. Manny acted immediately, especially how disappointing 2019 was. He's confident that, you know, Manny is the man for the job, that Manny is doing the right things to, you know, get this thing started. So he also said that he's excited to see this Reed Lashley spread offense in Miami, knowing that we got guys that run a 4-4 in the 40 at all times. You know, having those guys going out with different options on the field, Miami should be up to par this season. We should be averaging a little bit better than 30 points a game. Yo, but at this moment right now, Miami is still in need of a wide receiver coach. They're looking at a couple options, but nothing is written in stone as of right now. We are looking at 2 receivers also in the transfer portal, and who knows, we got signing day coming up pretty soon, so we'll see where Miami goes from there. Until then, man, love you guys. Thank you for the support, and I'm out.